Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you have a list of WhatsApp numbers and you want to click a link directly from Google Sheets to open a WhatsApp chat, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to create a click-to-chat WhatsApp link. But there are a few problems you'll probably run into. And I'll show you how to fix those too. Step 1. Your WhatsApp numbers. Let's say you have a column of WhatsApp numbers. They might look like this. Here's the problem. If your numbers include plus signs, hyphens, spaces, single quotes, the WhatsApp link will not work. You'll get a 404 error. Let me show you how to build the link first. Then we'll fix the formatting. Step 2. Create the WhatsApp link formula. We're going to use the hyperlink formula. Use this formula. I'll include it in the description so you can copy it. Here's what this does. This section is the WhatsApp click-to-chat base URL and two attaches, the phone number. Message is the clickable text. If we press Enter, you might see the link, but if your number includes a plus sign or spaces, it will not work. Click it and you'll likely get 404 error. That's because WhatsApp requires numbers in this format. Country code plus phone number, no symbols, no spaces. Example. Step 3. Clean the phone numbers, very important. We need to remove plus signs, spaces, hyphens, single quotes if present. Here's how. Select the column of phone numbers. Press Command plus F or Control plus F. Click the three dots to expand Find and Replace. Now, remove plus signs. Find, plus, replace with, leave blank. Select, search within specific range. Click, replace all, remove spaces. Find, press space once. Replace with, leave blank. Replace all, remove hyphens. Find, replace with, leave blank. Replace all. Important, do not put a space in replace. Leave it completely empty. Remove single quotes if needed. Find. Replace with, leave blank. Replace all. Now your numbers should look like exactly what WhatsApp needs. Step 4. Test the link. Now click your hyperlink. It should open directly in WhatsApp and take you straight to the chat window. No 404 error. Step 5. Copy the formula down. Once it works in one row, click the fill handle and drag down. Now you have clickable WhatsApp links for every number in your sheet. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure to subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.